Today we're going to talk about propagating hydrangeas. When is the best time to do it? Alright, you have two options on propagating hydrangeas on the time of year that you choose to take your cuttings. Both of them work very well. It's just there's a little difference, and it's all about the timing. The first option is to take them early spring to midsummer as semi-hardwood cuttings like this. This bottom part right here would make a great cutting. You don't want to get them up here where they're soft, although I've had some success getting them to go. But this is what you want. So what you're looking at here, this was taken late spring, put it in the propagation frame, and it had all summer and late into the fall to develop roots and put on this new growth. Then it went dormant, and now this spring it has woke up and it's much, much bigger. So your second way to take it is late fall, early winter, and you take it as hardwood cuttings. Now, you do it this way, it doesn't have as much time to develop roots before the cool season gets here and it goes dormant. It still works, but look at the difference in this versus this. They were both taken last year. Semi-hardwood, early spring, hardwood cutting, late fall. This one didn't have as much time to develop into a much bigger plant as the one we did in the spring. So it's a little bit behind. So whether you do it early spring, late fall is up to you. I recommend doing both. This plant, by the time late spring gets here, we got two options. We can propagate off this and make more, or it can go straight into the landscape. Or if you have a backyard nursery like we do, you can sell this plant. But either way, you need to be doing both because this is the best way to expand your landscape. But one thing that I will caution you about before you start propagating plants, always check to be sure the plant is not under patent. So I hope this helps if you're looking to expand your landscape. And as always, if you grow it, you know it.